Hi friends, Mr. Ben here, and we're going to talk a little bit about science today, okay? So it's getting cold outside. So why does it get cold outside every year? Well, it has to do with the Earth, okay? So here we have the sun and we have the Earth on both sides. Well, the Earth spins on its axis, but it doesn't spin right up and down. You see, it's at a tilt, okay? And so sometimes the sun leans towards this, or sometimes the Earth leans towards the sun, sometimes it leans away. And kind of like if you're at a campfire, if you're leaning towards it, it's going to be warmer, like in summer. And if it's leaning away from it, like you're leaning away from a campfire, it's going to be colder, like in winter. And this is where we are right here. So when the Earth is tilted, we get this difference in temperatures. Okay? Well, when we get colder, we start to have changes to all of our weather. So we're going to have snow falling instead of rain because ice crystals are going to form up in the atmosphere and they're going to be held aloft by the wind until they get heavy enough to fall as snow. And so then they fall down and they create that beautiful landscape that we see during the wintertime. Well, scientists say that no two snowflakes are alike, or rather, we say that no two snowflakes are alike, but scientists have actually found, and I don't know how they figured this out, but that there are snowflakes that are alike. And I guess there's only so many patterns that they can form in this crystal. Okay? So as that water freezes, it makes these nice lofty crystals that fall down as that white powdery snow. Well, since it's not cold enough yet, and we don't have any snow outside, we're going to make our own snow right here in the lab. So we have this snow powder. It comes by different names. This one is called magic snow, but the substance in here is called sodium polyacrylate. So that's a type of plastic or a polymer, and a lot of times it's used in diapers because it's really, really absorbent. As a matter of fact, this can hold 6 times as much water as its size. So we're going to add 6 times the volume of water that we have here, okay? So I previously measured out 1 spoonful of this. So that means I'm going to need 6 spoonfuls to put in there, all right? So I want to measure that out right here. So we'll measure 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So now that we're all set, we're going to pour all of this right in there and see what happens. Okay, first, so there's just a bunch of water. Oh, do you see that? So now, we have gone from a little bit of snow down to the bottom, and it's even still rising, but that's only because it's compact, because when we dump it out, we're going to get, it's going to fluff up, and we have this huge volume of snow. Look at that. And if I try to put it back into my cup, well, I can't fit it all. It's only about half of it can fit in there because it's so much bigger than it was before. So this is really cool because unlike regular snow, this isn't going to melt, and all I have to do is keep it locked away, either in a Ziploc bag, or if I find a larger container like this cup and cover it up, we'll be able to keep it nice, and I can play with this over and over again. And as I had been doing previously with my friends earlier, made a little snow scene with my little animals that I have. The chickens and roosters don't want to stand up. I don't know why. They want to lay down. Okay, they're taking a nap in the snow. All right. And so then you can make your own snow. You can have a lot of fun with it. It doesn't work exactly like snow, but until we get the real stuff falling from the sky, we have this. So you can find this all over, lots of different places you can buy it. It goes by different names. Magic Snow is the one that we have here. But yeah, so I hope you had a lot of fun today. I hope you're able to find some of this and play with it on your own. Thank you for joining us at the museum, and until next time.